speaking of help, we've got our first question tonight. It comes from Neil, and I knew as soon as this one came through the email this week, Jim, I said this was a perfect one from Neil. This one comes in, and Neil asks, he says, a friend told me about some new legal action coming in with the Singing River retirement case. Am I too late to get in on this? Jim, you have been in the media a lot this week on WLOX, our local paper. That's right. You've been on there. Great question from Neil. Is it too late to get involved with this next phase of the retirement lawsuit?
Well, maybe, but you won't know until you try. So
right.
It's a little complicated, but you know, the old saying is, when's the best day to plant a tree was 30 years ago. When's the next best day? Today or tomorrow, okay? So you need to call Monday if you think you have a claim. And just an overview, you have a potential claim if you are a member of the Singing River Pension Plan,
okay,
and you had a reduction or modification in your benefits. If you think you've had your benefits reduced, and if you've been in that pension system for any length of time, then you have a potential claim. Call Monday, one of those free consultations we talked about. We'll talk about it Monday and see if we can help you. It's not too late, but you've got to act quickly. A judge will decide soon what the deadline is for filing. It may have already passed or maybe not, but you won't know unless you call and ask. And it can be substantial. This can mean a lot for people who are on a fixed income,
right,
a pension that's been reduced. It means a lot to make up some ground and get some of that money back. And that's what we're really trying to do.
So the clock is about to wind down on this one.
It really is, and you need to move. You should have already moved, but if you hadn't, Monday morning, get on the phone, call our office. We have people on standby to talk to you immediately. It'll only take about 15 minutes on the phone call to determine whether you have a potential claim. If you decide you want to go forward, come in. If you don't, we're glad to talk to you anyway.
The crystal ball is dropping, and it is time to make that phone call on that one.
That's a good analogy.
Neil, good question on that. As soon as I saw the email, I said, oh, we got to pass that one along to